How to BUI$PAIN, Pain Token Crypto Coin. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only. I am not a professional financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Please do your own research before investing in any project. Cryptocurrency investments carry risk, and it's essential to understand those risks before proceeding. Consult a financial expert if necessary. In this video, I will show you how to buy the PAI token, PAI. If you're interested in this token, I'll walk you through the basic process. Please keep in mind that this is an educational video, and you should do thorough research before making any investment decisions. Step 1. Stay updated on the token's development. Before buying any token, it's important to keep track of the project's updates. Be sure to follow the official Telegram or Twitter accounts for the PAI token to stay updated on the latest news and announcements. These platforms often share important information that can help you make informed decisions. Step 2. Check the token's performance. The PAI token has been performing well recently, with a massive 3,000% increase in the last 24 hours. It's also trending in the top 3 on crypto screeners. Before making any decisions, it's important to track the token's performance on platforms like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. This will give you an idea of its current market position and liquidity. Step 3. Add the token to your wallet. To buy the PAI token, you'll need to add it to your wallet. Here's how. Copy the token address. Find the official token address from a trusted source. Open your wallet. Open the wallet you use, e.g., MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or another compatible wallet. Add the token. Go to the wallet interface, click Add Token, and paste the token address to add the PAI token to your wallet. Step 4. Swap your cryptocurrency for PAI token. Once the PAI token is added to your wallet, you can proceed to purchase it. Here's how. Select the token to swap from. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to swap, such as USDT, ETH, or any other supported token. Enter the amount. Type in the amount you want to purchase. Ensure that you have enough funds in your wallet for the transaction. Review the amount. You will see how much PAI token you will receive after the swap. Make sure everything looks correct. Click on Swap. After reviewing the transaction details, click Swap to complete the purchase. Step 5. Adjust slippage settings, if needed. If you encounter any issues during the transaction, it may be due to slippage. To resolve this, adjust slippage settings. Go back to the swap page and adjust the slippage tolerance. You can set a custom slippage percentage to ensure the transaction goes through smoothly. Confirm the transaction. After adjusting the settings, confirm the transaction, and you'll be able to successfully purchase the PAI token. Conclusion. That's how you can buy the PAI token, PAI. Remember, it's crucial to stay updated on the latest project news and always conduct your own research before investing. Cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, so proceed with caution and make informed decisions. Final reminder, this video is for educational purposes only and does not provide financial advice. Always conduct your own research and consider consulting a financial professional before making any investment. Cryptocurrency investments carry risk, and you should never invest more than you can afford to lose.